Barbara from Gluten Free Homestead. Today I'm showing you how to make unstuffed cabbage. Stuffed cabbage is one of the most popular recipes on my blog because it's so delicious. You can make unstuffed cabbage on days when you don't have a lot of time or you just don't want to fuss. Ready to make unstuffed cabbage? Let's go. Thanks for watching. You can find the full recipe in the video description. And be sure to subscribe, like, and follow. And check out more of my videos for recipes that you can easily make at home. See you there.